Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Now in this video we'll come across the various other Linux command. First, we'll know what is PWD command. The PWD command is a command line utility for printing the current working directory. It will print the full system path of the current working directory to a standard output. First just clear the screen and type PWD. As we can see, the PWD command has printed the full system path of the current working directory to a standard output. If we type ls, we'll get all the files and folders inside our present working directory. Now, if we want to change our present working directory from home to some other directory, we'll just type cd, that is change directory / and the directory name. Here we'll be writing the directory name as SD card. So cd / SD card. And once we ls, we'll get the list of full folders and files inside our SD card. Now if we type pwd, we'll get / SD card as our present working directory. Let's clear the screen, type clear and hit enter. Now our current directory is SD card. Next, let's create some files using touch. So what is touch? The touch command is a standard command used in Unix Linux operating system, which is used to create, change and modify timestamp of a file. So basically with the help of touch, we can create new files. Just type touch and the file name. Now if we go to our file manager, inside the SD card we can see the file the nat.txt has been created. Now if we use the cat command, cat the nat.txt, we can see there is nothing inside our file. Now to add up something inside our file, we'll use the command nano. We already come across the nano as a text editor, so we'll type nano and the file name, that is the nat.txt. Now we are inside the text editor. We'll just write something, then we'll press Ctrl X and yes to come out of this text editor. Now if we do cat the nat.txt, we'll see what's inside it. Hi everyone, yeah. So let's go to our file manager and check inside the nat. Yes, it is there. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class.